Bulaga, di ba? Here's our favorite quote from Clay Shirky. Okay? He says, okay, when a technology gets boring, who's excited about a cell phone nowadays? Boring na. Who's excited about a computer this big nowadays? Boring na nila? Yeah? When a technology becomes boring, it is when it gets to be socially interesting. So we are at that stage. The PC is technologically boring. But it can now become, because it's so cheap, and you have new form factors, okay, and new content, it can now be made socially interesting. So the key word is social. Socially interesting. Social. Okay. Siguro ng January, I was teaching yung disc club, yung popular ito. How to use yung tinatawag na flow na content management system. So, ginawa niyo na Lenny sa kanina dyan. Lenny, tama ba? Lenny, yung mga estudyante nyo ang nag-input ng quiz. So, yung mga estudyante na nag-input ng quiz. At saka, gawa ng system para doon sa election ng student government using Flow. Okay? So I don't know if anyone introduced you to Flow in the past several weeks. PLONE. Wala, ha? So yan yung contribution ko. Okay? I will teach you how to use Flow, and I will teach you how to have a lot of fun using Flow for classroom purposes. Okay? So kung yung mga bata na nagka-college ngayon, first year college, and nag-gets nila, eh siguro naman, there's no reason why, okay, kayo hindi mag-gets. Okay?
Dyan sa Laguna, ako si Wilmer Espinosa, nandito ako ngayon sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, at nais kong basahin yung artikulo sa pamayagan ng January 2 sa Employer. At solicitude siya ng SOP kay Engineer Olaso, Engineer Rapin, at aking babasahin para
pinag-pinayabang ko ng Engineer Rapin. Noong January 2, Employer, nandun yung edukas. Hindi na pinag-in. Masyadong humble yun. Kaya, akala mo, gaganon-ganon na. Okay? So, ito ako. Ito ako. Anyway, si Engineer Olaso, minsan magsisleep ako po, tatawagin ko siyang dad. Kasi parang tatay ko siya. Engineer Olaso, parang what he's trying to do is to get you guys to see the future. Because I shared a lot of what I have with him already. He gets it. Okay, ang strength niya is yung community building. Yung networking. Hindi yung strength ko eh. Zero ko dun eh. Mahina ako dun eh. Umuwan ako eh. Okay? So, the vision is, of Educast is, okay, here's passive. Okay? Umayos na facilities, cooperative yung DepEd, yung principal, yung division office, etc. etc. Posible yung kinukwento sa akin yung video. Posible yan sa passive. And then may relationship siya with the congressman, the parish priest, etc. etc. So lahat ng stakeholders, wala yung social networking. Diba? Otherwise, iwan na tayo. In fact, I will tell you again, yung 16 na high school namin dun sa Pagadian, sa Buanga Sur, mas maganda pa yung computer facility sa Tingo Center kesa sa Pinoy, sa Lasal, sa Silvio. Kahit anong high school dito sa Pagadian. So we're not speaking from out of the blue sky na hindi positive. Nangyayari na ito. Ang kailangan na is to get more of you, okay, to embrace the same vision and, okay, deliver to your audience. Who is your audience? Your kids, your students. Diba? Now, for the first 15 years of the internet, itinatawag na Web 1. Alam niyo ba yung Web 2.0? Hindi pa na ba ito Web 2.0? So, kung hindi nyo alam yung Web 2.0, hindi nyo rin alam yung Web 3.0. At hindi nyo rin alam yung Web Squared. Ito sabihin ko sa inyo, nag-uumpisa na yung Web Squared. So, kailangan tayo bumalik sa 3, kailangan nyo maintindihan yung 2, at saka yung 1. So, marami tayo hanggang. But going back to Educast, passive is really unique. And let me tell you, this is the connecting the dots backward. Okay. Yung 30,000 Supreme Court rulings noong 1992, yung ginawa ko, kulangan mo sa kung ginawa niyo. Tama, thank you. Saan ko ginawa niyo? Yung 30,000, saan yung opisina ko noon? Saan? Sa National Library? Sa bahay, saan yung bahay ko? Ha? Diyan sa East Capitol Drive. Sa Barrio Capitol. So that evolution for the legal system in the Philippines started in Pasig. Now I don't know, it's up to you guys whether the revolution for Philippine public sector education will also start in Pasig. Okay? So with that, I'd like to thank you all for bearing with me. This is not even 2% of what I want to share with you guys, but we only have now. Okay? But that's not important because if we get into these projects together, you can have all the videos that you want. Namamagana yung mga yun sa kapapanood. But the more important thing is we have a relationship, a working relationship with Educast, myself, Bob, Capitolio High School, the congressman, and the president and the deputy secretary. Pwede ba? Kaya ba natin yan? Okay? So with that, maraming salamat sa inyo mga. Have a good evening.
Question.
Yes. Yung cloning yung pelikula ni Dubai. Plone, P-L-O-N-E. P-L-O-N-E. You go to plone.org. Okay? You can download the software. It's only 33 megabytes. You can install it already on your Windows PC. Now, kanina, ilang dots yung kinonek ko this evening. Si Marshall McLuhan, kinonek ko kay Glacier King. Diba? Yung Talbot at saka yung Debonair ng 1960s. Kinonek ko rin yung inumpisa ko yung project ko sa Pasig noong 1992 dun sa sana gagawin natin ngayon. Right? Let me offer 3 more connections connecting the dots backward. Nung nag-quit ako sa UP sa PhD, sabi ko, I want to study rich media. So, download, program ako ng program, tapos may nag-apply sa akin. Sino nag-apply sa akin? Itong mama ito. Ano pangalan niya? Rich. Tapos sabi ko, oh, ako yung inaaral ko yung rich media, tapos nag-apply sa akin si Rich. Correct. Second connection, yung project namin ni Bo sa Pagadian, which we started 2 years ago, ang tawag namin sa project, FACET. F-A-C-E-T. Filter Academic Content for Enhanced Teaching. So, filter. So, bawal ang kalukuhan dyan. Filter Academic Content for enhanced teaching. Not to replace the teacher, but to enhance the teacher and his teaching. Okay? Hindi mo sasabihin, klase,